Hello, Algebra 1. This is the video for the QM3 Quick Quiz 1. So let's go ahead and take a look at this business here. We've got identify the terms and coefficients and variables of each expression. So let's take a look and break these down. If you remember back from what we've been doing, terms are the things that are added together. But you got some subtraction up here, Mr. Brayman. Yeah, so how do we turn subtraction into addition? Well, we add the opposite. Negative 2m plus 3 plus negative 6t plus negative w. The things that are added together are my terms. Negative 2m, 3, negative 6t, negative w. Those are the things that are added together. Those are my terms. Now, I like to go with the variables next. What are my letters? What are my letters? In this case, I've got m, t, and W. Notice how I didn't attach any numbers. I didn't attach the positives or negatives to this. So what I'm doing though is I'm just identifying the variables. Now I need the coefficients. What are the numbers multiplying those variables? With M, it's negative 2M. 3 doesn't have a variable. There's no variable, so there's no coefficient. 3 is just a constant. We've got negative 6t, so I have negative 6 t's. And how many w's do I have? I promise there'll be something like this on your test, no matter what year you're ever watching this video. Negative w, I have negative 1w. My coefficient is negative 1. I need the negative 1 in there. It is a coefficient. It is a coefficient. Channeling that into the second part, same thing applies. Add together, make things addition. Negative s plus 12z plus 8c plus negative 26k. Now, if you see it already, don't worry about it. If you understand, don't worry about rewriting this. I'm not asking you to rewrite it, but sometimes it helps. My terms are negative s, 12z, 8c, and negative 26k. My variables, I've got 4 of them. They are s, z, c, and k. I'm not attaching any negative or positive values to that. It's literally just what are the letters that are in there. Coefficients, how many s's do I have? Negative 1. How many z's do I have? 12. How many c's do I have? 8. And how many k's do I have? Negative 26. This is very much an identification part of this target. This is your one level of this target, identifying terms, coefficients, and variables, identifying the pieces of an expression. This right here combines parts 1 and part 2. Because what I'm looking to do is writing expressions, equivalent expressions to create an equation. Equivalent, an equal sign between expressions. We're going to have, in this case, we'll have an algebraic expression with variables, and we're also going to have another side with just a numerical expression. Let's read it. 83 increased by 2 times a number is 63. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to underline is, increased, and times. Increased means addition. Times means multiply. Number or is equal. I have to write and solve the equation. Write and solve. I'm going to add some things. 83 increased by 2 times a number. 2 times what number? We don't know what that is. 2 x's is 63. This is the writing part. This is the writing part. Now I need to do the solving part. So I would subtract 83 from both sides. And I would have 2x equals negative 20. Divide both sides by 2. And I get x equals negative 10. You could say the number is negative 10. That's what I'm looking for here. We did the writing part. We did the solving part. We're good to go. Let's look at number 3. Look at number 3. When angles are complementary, The sum of their measures is 90 degrees. Two complementary angles have measures of 2x minus 10 degrees and 3x minus 10 degrees. Find the measures of each angle. We need to write and solve. Write and solve. Sum, I know, is addition, is 90. Oh, we got something there. Equal to 90 here. Two complementary angles. Oh, we got two things that we're adding. We're going to add two things together. Angle 1, yeah, I'm just going to write this in here. Angle 1 is 2x minus 10, and angle 2 is 3x minus 10. If I add those two things together, I will get 90. So 2x minus 10 plus 3x minus 10 equals 90. Combine like terms. 5x, 2x and 3x is 5x, minus 20, because negative 10 and negative 10 are negative 20, equals 90. Now I solve 5x because I'm going to add 20 to both sides of the equal sign. 5x is 110. Divide both by 5, and x equals 22. Yay, 22. Yeah, that doesn't do anything for me because 22 isn't either angle. Remember, find the measures of each angle. Try to underline instead of cross it out. Find the measures of each angle. Well, angle 1 is 2x minus 10, and now I know what x is. So this is like 2 times 22 minus 10, or 44 minus 10, or 34 degrees. Angle 2 is 3 times 22 minus 10, or 66 minus 10, or 56 degrees. The angles have measures. The angles have measures. Of 34 degrees and 56 degrees. The second and third questions are really your 2 and 3 level kind of work. Being able to write the expressions and solve the expressions, being able to create and solve. That's what we're looking for. Hope you guys are doing well. Take care. Have a great day.